This is the best toy ever.
Like operating at my home. That's why I'm out here in the field all the time. Yeah. Simon, the DJ of Coda. This is Mike on November 1, Sierra Papa Whiskey. Copy them both, and you're the best on the air. Thanks for being there.
Woo! G'day everyone, Simon, Crazy HamJazz here. Welcome back everybody for another Rubbish Antenna Series episode. And today we're going to feature the fabulous Mooncool TK1 Tricycle. And this thing is an absolute beauty. It's a collapsible tricycle. I've had a lot of fun riding it around and it's absolutely awesome. But there's one thing missing. We need to turn this into HamJazz headquarters. We're going to put power on the back. We're going to put a couple of antennas on here so you'll see us coming a mile away. All right guys, so here we are. We're going to use these guys again. These are fantastic. This is the CB antenna mirror mount, and these are made by Road Pro. I use these on all of my rubbish antenna pliers, and what I like about it is the narrow profile. So what we're going to do, Doug and I, we're going to file these, and I'll leave a link below guys. These are absolutely fantastic. These are the Road Pro CB antenna mirror mounts. We've got two of those. We've got some wonderful 6-foot coax. I did the measurements from basically the back to the front. The plan is we want to mount the antennas here. I am not going to defame the integrity of this beautiful tricycle. So what we're going to do is just accept the fact that it's powder coated. We're going to mount these on the powder coating, but we've got a way to compensate for that to make it get a good RF return path. All right, let's get on with the build. Woohoo! What I think I'll do, because the radios are going to be there. The radios are going to be up here, and we're going to put the battery unit here, and I'm going to be sitting there when I'm riding. I think I'm going to put one here and one here. Ta-da! So this is going to be ham, and that is CB. There we go. How cool is this? There we go. So that'll screw into there. There we go, Doug. And then you can just, there we go. That looks really awesome. And this is the moment of truth, because I'm thinking we're not going to need to sand or file those. Look at that. 1.61 at 12.96 megahertz. Oh, yes! That's a HamJazz. Woohoo! Yes! Fantastic. So guys, we don't need the chassis of the bike at all. Right everybody, g'day. Here we are down at the park, and one little piece of housekeeping. I was just saying to Doug, we've got to make sure that needs a strap. So that's easy, just a couple of long cable ties, but that has to be mounted because otherwise it's not, I don't like the way it's vibrating. But what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm simply just going to I'm laying out the 8 feet 9 inch radials. I'm just laying them here towards the southeast like I normally do. And I'm going to take the Vito Man juice box out and just sit it here beside. And Doug and I are going to sit here on the bench, and we're going to shout at people. It's going to be a lot of fun. Woohoo!
Victor Echo 7 Zulu Whiskey X-Ray VE7DFZ.
Woohoo! The tricycle antenna. I love it.
Whiskey 6 Golf.
Woohoo!
Mike in San Francisco. Roger, Roger. You're up to about a 5.5 right now. 5.556, over. Whiskey 6 Uniform Golf. Simon. Hey, good to meet you, my friend. I saw you spotted. Sally Jr., I sound a little bit better with the 100, my friend. I'm actually about a 5.4 in California. Kilowatt, Mike 6, Lima, Delta, Delta. Copy the 5.9. You also 5.9 into California, Central Valley, 5.9 California. Nice signal, and I'm glad you're doing parks in the air. Appreciate it. November Golf, 9 Bravo. That's what You're only about a 4-3 here, 4-3. Simon, the DJ of Coda. This is Mike on November 1, Sierra Papa Whiskey. Copy them both, and you're the best on the air. Thanks for being there.
Woo!
Kilo Bravo 2. Kilo Bravo 2. Mike, down here. 5-2, New York.
Woo!
Sounding good, really good audio. Kilo 7, Zulu Yankee uniform. Yourself, and you're 5'8" here in central Utah. This is Eric in Utah. Whiskey 6 to the Papa. Hey, 5'9", you too, man. You got a big signal coming in. I'm doing a photo activation in San Clemente State Beach in California, overlooking the Pacific Ocean. Project USL, man. Hey,
I love this.
73. Alpha Echo 0, Whiskey Delta.
The bands are nuts.
Yeah, Roger, Simon. Good to work with you.
Amazing what happens when you turn power up.
Like November 8, Papa Whiskey. USL, you are a 5'9" in West Virginia. 5'9".
Woo! 5'9" West Virginia on the world's most rubbish antenna on the tricycle. Mooncool for the win, the TK1. Good on you, buddy. Thanks for the great signal report. Have a great day, and 7-3. So what we've done, guys, we've got the PL259 connected. These are good, nice and solid, fantastic. Got the CB, and then we've got ham here. And simply we've just run the coax along here. This is about a 6 foot 3 inch. It was a bit over 6 feet piece that I got on Amazon, and it's probably rubbish, but it's neither here nor there, and it's such a short piece. Twist tie there, or sorry, what do you call these? Okay, zip ties.
Zip ties.
Zip tie here, another zip tie here, which I haven't cranked them up yet. Just wanted to get it in place. And then what we did is we ran it sort of up here to the frame, so it won't impede the pedaling when I'm blasting down the highway at light speed. And then down here, and basically we've got one each side. And we wanted to leave it a little bit of flex and looseness there, because that's where you can halve. I'm not going to be doing it in this video. I'll do it in another one. But this is where you fold up the Mooncool, the trike right here. So we want a little bit of play there. These are just going to sort of basically hang in the wind. Now, drum roll. The next thing is the installation of the radios right here. Woohoo! Coming at you. So after some serious deliberations, and we're building up a bit of a wicked thirst, I will say that, but we're going to get this done. What we've decided to do, we need to have this floating to a point, but we also need to have this absorbing the vibrations, and this is going to be the FT891, and we're going to mount it here. So there's the mounting bracket. It's going to go on there. And we'll fasten all of this, and the radio is going to go there. We've got the CB mounted. This is the President George FCC, and here we've got the FT891. And then what we're doing now, just got to make sure I cut the right things, is I'm just trimming all of the cable ties. Just make sure I don't cut anything that's resembling coax or wire.
I'm kidding.
I don't want to pull those too tight in case they strip. But now what we're going to do, the moment of truth, we're going to turn the CB on. There we go. Is the antenna plugged in? Yep, there it is. Channel 5. So when I'm riding to the park, I would go with this. Like so. All of this will be contained. This is really, really cool. Pull up to the park. The antennas are already up. Holy smokes. And then simply, because I don't want to be on the bike with all that RF transmitting, just bring the power out to here. Pull this unit out. plug these in. Hook up the Anderson poles. Like that. And then this one here, which I'll get neater. As I do this a bit more. There we go. Check the CB, put it onto sideband. There's lower sideband. Quickly check if there's anything on sideband. No. Go back to AM. Little bit of channel 19, 17, a little bit of stuff going on. And then the cool thing is we just turn that off and CB. And another thing we can do is I could put another 17-foot whip onto here, and I could then just run these electrically as a dipole, like I did on my bicycle. But anyway, guys, that's it. I'm going to get down to the park with this, and this is absolutely fantastic. I've just got to find the microphone for the CB. But there we go. And huge shout out to Doug. Thanks, mate. I owe you a beer. So this is absolutely fantastic, everybody. All right. I would say we're done for the day, mate.